Hey guys, today we are making Totoro Origami. If you didn't know what origami is, it's the Japanese art of paper folding. Totoro is a popular character from the Japanese animated movie My Neighbor Totoro, and it is a big cuddly creature. For this, you will need origami papers, a glue stick, scissors, and a pencil. Here are the instructions. Step 1 is you need to divide the origami paper in half. Step 2 is you need to fold it. Step 3, fold in the two opposite corners into meat. Step 4 is fold in the innermost paper downward. Step 5 is tuck the two corners into flat. Step 6 is cut out 2 ears as well as the stomach. Step 7 is cut 3 corners of origami. Step 8, assemble pieces by gluing them to bookmark. Step 9, draw a face